An apple falls down from a tree. Gravity's working, can you see? It pulls things down from high to low. That's how the world begins to go. The planets spin around the sun. Gravity keeps them on the run. It holds them close, they never stray, dancing in space every day. A waterfall comes rushing down from rocky cliffs to the ground. It's gravity that leads the way, making rivers every day. I slide down fast, wee, what fun! Gravity helps me start to run. Up so high, then zoom below. Down the slide I always go. Raindrops falling from the sky, splash in puddles as they fly. Gravity pulls each drop right down, making ripples all around.